Hello everyone, and welcome back to Decor Idea. Today, we're diving into one of the most beautiful and trending home decor ideas, transforming your walls with plants. Whether you have a cozy apartment or a spacious backyard, using greenery on your walls can completely elevate your space, adding freshness, color, and a calming natural vibe. In this video, I'll show you creative ways to decorate both indoor and outdoor walls with plants, sharing tips, ideas, and DIY tricks to help you create your own green paradise. From vertical gardens inside your living room to lush plant walls in your outdoor patio, there's a solution for every space and style. So, make sure to watch till the end for all the inspiration you need. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to Decor and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our home decor tips and gardening ideas. Now, let's get started with some fantastic indoor plant wall decor ideas. Indoor plant walls are a fantastic way to bring life into your home. They add color, improve air quality, and create a soothing environment. One popular idea is using wall-mounted planters or hanging pots. You can choose a variety of plants like pothos, ferns, or trailing ivy, which cascade down beautifully. These plants are easy to care for and thrive in indoor conditions, making them perfect for beginners. Another creative idea is to use floating shelves to display small potted plants. Wooden or metal shelves arranged in geometric patterns can make your wall look modern and stylish. Place succulents, cacti, or small flowering plants on these shelves to create a vibrant display. For added visual interest, combine different plant heights and textures, mixing leafy plants with flowering varieties. Decorative elements can elevate your outdoor plant wall even further. Garden sculptures, fairy lights, or weatherproof wall art can add personality and charm. Modular planting systems with succulents or drought-tolerant plants are perfect for busy homeowners who want beauty with minimal effort. For larger walls, murals or painted botanical scenes serve as vibrant backdrops for your greenery. Lighting plays a crucial role outdoors too. Use solar or LED lights to highlight your plants at night, creating a magical ambience. You can also install a rain chain or outdoor water feature nearby for a relaxing sound element. The combination of plants, decorative accents, and lighting will turn your outdoor wall into a stunning focal point. Whether indoors or outdoors, designing a plant wall is all about balance and creativity. Start by selecting a color scheme or theme, perhaps lush green tropical vibes, colorful floral accents, or a minimalist monochrome look. Consider the lighting conditions of your space to choose suitable plants, shade-loving varieties for darker corners or sun-loving plants for bright walls. Arrange plants in a way that complements your space. For example, place taller plants at the back or center and trailing or shorter plants around the edges. Play with different pot styles, textures, and colors to add visual interest. For outdoor walls, incorporate decorative elements like fairy lights, lanterns, or garden statues to create a magical atmosphere. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried creating a plant wall before? What's your favorite plant or decor idea? Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. I love hearing your feedback. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to channel name for more inspiring home decor and gardening tips. Remember, a green, lively wall isn't just beautiful, it's a reflection of your creativity and love for nature. So go ahead, start planning your plant wall today, and transform your home or garden into a lush paradise. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.